Do hereby proclaim October 9th, 2018 as Sharonde Martina Day and present him with a gold key to the City of Claremont in recognition of his achievements and championship spirit. In witness whereof, I have hereunto set my hand and cause the seal of the City of Claremont to be affixed this 9th day of October, 2018.
I've been working hard all my life and then as an athlete too to get where I'm at right now, and it's nice to see that people recognize your hard work and give you certain awards and stuff, and this is very, very big for me because I'm not from here. I mean, I came here after where I went to school first and all that, and then practice here and all that. I did a lot here separately from running to trying to help other people and do certain things for the youth too, and that like the city honor me with a golden key to the city is very big, very big. I didn't thought it would happen, but it happened. You can be a good athlete, but if you don't have the good work ethic, respect people and help people around you and all that, you're not a true champion. And I do a lot of those things. And it's nice to be recognized, and I'm gonna do my best to keep doing more, showing more people that it can be done and that we can have a lot more champions. I started first school in 2005 in El Paso, Texas, and then when I was done with school, looked around a little bit for a place to be closer to Curacao, because over there is a lot of flying to get home. And then through athletes and coaches, I found Claremont, so I came one time to visit, and I fell in love right away. So then I packed everything and moved over here, and since then I'm still here. I got my house here, everything here. So I love it here, I love it. Claremont treats me very good. It's very quiet, peaceful, I love it. I'm a very quiet person. And I could have practiced here all those years. Very good too, the weather nice, everything nice here, everything good. So I started here at NTC, and then after that we moved to Montverde. After 2 or 3 years, we moved to Montverde. But yeah, first it was here, everything was here. I was practicing here 6 times a week. And depending on the time in the season, did weights on top too. Like here, the facility here is very nice, and also the gym, we had pool and everything there. Here is very, very nice. And then we went to Montverde, almost the same. That one was a high school, so it's a high school, so it was a little different setup, but nice there too. If there's a possibility for training camps, or like maybe a certain time in the year I'm home and I have to practice, I'll do it here for sure, because I mean, I'm always welcome here. And NTCCF or Montverde, like it's people love me, people love my energy and all that, and they have me around, and I'll do it for sure. The weather is good here too, so I'll do it.
Mayor Gail Ash and City Manager Darren Gray explained why they chose Sharonde Martina.
We have so many athletes that train here from all around the world, and people really don't know that they're here in Claremont. Everyday people are here just doing what they're doing, and they really, our residents, you really don't even know how many athletes that we have here training on a daily basis for whatever event that they do. And so when we rebranded ourselves to the Choice of Champions, because we believe it's a choice that you choose Claremont to be here, that they train here. And then when we found out how many athletes were going to the 2016 games in Rio, we wanted to, honor them, and you did not have to represent the United States. You could, because we are prideful that we have athletes from all around the world that are here training, and so we wanted to send them all off and wish them well. And so when they returned, we welcomed them back, and we wanted to give them a key to the city for representing our area and choosing our area as Claremont, the Choice of Champions, to actually train here. With Sharonde being a multiple Olympian and through a couple of different Olympic Games, we wanted to honor him. And what is great about our city is that you don't have to just be with the United States team. We have so many teams throughout, and even individuals throughout the whole world that come here and train. And so we wanted to recognize him for his accomplishments. And actually, he actually even owns a home here in our city, and so we just want to celebrate. Not only is he a great athlete and an Olympian and one of our champions, but he is one of our champions because he actually is one of our residents here in the city. So it's an honor for us to recognize Sharandy for all his accomplishments.
We actually have a project that is in the process of being finalized here for the city that will require, or that will give us 250 acres of all kinds of sports centers and venues, from ice hockey to tennis to softball, all kinds of health centers as well. And if this gets finalized, we'll know in a few months. This will be a phenomenal thing for our city because we will be a true center for fitness and for athletes.